Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add flash on the CapCut. So process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your CapCut mobile application and click on the new project. Import a video on which you want to apply a effect. So once you will do it, now add it, and here you will see video is added to my timeline. So once you will do it, you have to select the point where you want to add flash effect. So let's suppose on this point I want to add the flash effect. So simply click on the overlay and click again on the add overlay. Go to the stock videos, and from here you have to select this one. You have to download it. Once you will download it, you will see a new layer is added with the white. So you have to adjust on the whole video. So as you will see, I am doing. So once you will do it, now select this overlay and make it smaller. So once you will do it, now again you have to click on the, you just have to copy it, or you can again click on the add overlay and add the same procedure again. Click on the add, adjust it on the whole screen like this. So you have to do this 4 to 5 times, or many times you want to add the flash effect, and you will see this type of the effects. So this is the procedure to add flash on the CapCut. Hope this video will helpful for you.